Okay, so in this problem, we're given a matrix A, and we're tasked with using a graphing utility to find the inverse of that matrix. And so the original matrix is this, 1, -3, 3, 1, 2, -3, -1, -1, 2. And so plugging this into my graphing calculator, I can get out the inverse matrix, which is 1, 3, 3, 1, 5, 6, 1, 4, 5. And now we can check that this is the correct inverse by multiplying A times that matrix A inverse and multiplying A inverse times A. We need to do it both directions because we're not guaranteed to get the same answer if we switch A inverse and A.